Hi guys, in this video, we will be sharing with you the popular content management system, CMS, platform. If you have other recommendations, please let us know in the comments below. Number 13 is Blogger, free. Google owns Blogger, a free blogging platform. Because these blogs are hosted by Google, your domain name will contain the blogspot.com subdomain. Additionally, you may host your Blogger site and redirect it to a custom domain of your choice. Blogger is a platform for infrequent bloggers who are not interested in establishing a company. Its ease of use makes it ideal for novices and those who blog for personal fun. Number 12 is Drupal, open source. You will need to obtain a domain name and install Drupal on your hosting server to use the free, open source software. In addition to pre-built themes and modules, the program lets you create your own from scratch. In what ways is Drupal superior to the more well-known WordPress? While WordPress is more user-friendly, Drupal is a powerful content management system that excels at handling massive datasets and complicated social publishing communities. It doesn't matter if you're a little business or a large corporation, Drupal will work for all of them. Even if you don't plan on changing the design of your site, Drupal is more difficult to operate with than Joomla. It can also be difficult to update extensions if they don't work with each other, which happens more frequently than not. Drupal Commerce and UberCart are possibilities for e-commerce stores, however, they may necessitate the services of a developer in order to be properly set up. Number 11 is Typo3. In the CMS arena, Typo3 isn't as well known as some of the others. However, not everyone can benefit from it. It's an enterprise-class CMS, yet it's free and open source, like WordPress and Drupal. Businesses throughout the world, like Mercedes-Benz and Sony, rely on Typo3 to manage their content. Typo3 isn't just popular among major organizations, it's also a top pick for European websites. WordPress and Drupal are the most popular choices for the typical user. But, Typo3 is a viable option for large enterprises with complicated content management requirements. Number 10 is Bynder. In addition to making it easy to publish information online, content management systems are also invaluable for facilitating cross-team collaboration. Create, locate, utilize and collaborate on content effortlessly with Bynder opens a new tab, a marketing platform. You may use it to create high-quality marketing material, approve it and distribute it to your customers. To ensure that all material is aligned with the company's brand image, there is also the option to establish a shareable style guide. For a 14-day trial of Bynder, you'll have a chance to see if the service is worth signing up for, but it's not cheap. At least $450 a month, approximately £345, 570 Australian dollars, is expected, but rates can go as high as hundreds of dollars each month. As a result, by automating a slew of tedious and time-consuming procedures, the program helps you save money on marketing. Number 9 is GoDaddy Website Builder. When you don't have the time or resources to build a unique website, GoDaddy Website Builder is a great option. With a 1-year subscription, the cost is $10 each month. The monthly fee for a service that is e-commerce ready is as little as $25. Marketing tools including email and social media marketing have been integrated into GoDaddy's CMS. All kinds of enterprises can use this platform. The lack of customizability may be a problem for larger businesses, though. As a result, it's geared toward small companies and online retailers who need a quick and simple way to promote their sites. GoDaddy makes it simple to create a website, even if you don't have any technical knowledge. But you can't change everything in the customization process. Number 8 is Progress Sitefinity. It is one of Progress's numerous products that aid firms in their digital transformation. In order to meet your specific requirements, Sitefinity features a quote-based pricing structure. Both the trial version and an online sandbox may be used to test out their platform. The first is best for programmers, whereas the second is more user-friendly. Building blocks and individual components may be moved around in Sitefinity's contemporary drag-and-drop website builder. The software also has a built-in workflow management system and some additional marketing capabilities. For medium-sized enterprises that need more than a simple website builder, this platform is ideal. Sitefinity is a great option if you're trying to expand your web presence and experiment with new ideas. Websites ranging from blogs to online stores may be built using Sitefinity. This feature is only available as a supplement. To get the most out of this platform, you'll need some programming skills. Setting up a basic website is something you can do yourself, but you'll likely need the assistance of a developer to get everything working properly. Number 7 is Shopify. Look no farther than Shopify as an e-commerce specific CMS for your new online business. Shopify has been used by businesses of all sizes to sell their products online. Even whether you're starting from scratch, or switching from a different CMS, Shopify can handle it. Experts may be hired through the marketplace on Shopify. It's possible to discover a qualified SEO or e-commerce specialist just from the site itself. Another benefit of using Shopify as your CMS platform is that it is designed to grow with your company's needs. Starting at $29 a month, you may check it out for 14 days for free. Number 6 is Joomla. However, even though Joomla is one of the most popular CMS platforms, it is still a long way behind the market share leader, WordPress. That being said, Joomla is a useful content management system for a wide range of websites. To get started with it, you'll need to obtain a domain name and web hosting service. Most hosting companies provide a one-click installation option. Joomla offers extensions that let you alter the functionality of your website in the same way as WordPress plugins do. It can be more difficult to set up than WordPress. Even so, there are several guides and lessons available online to help you get the most out of this platform. It doesn't matter if your company website is large or little, Joomla can handle it all. Number 5 is Magnolia. Content management systems are frequently straightforward to set up and operate, which is one of their key selling points. There is a good chance you will need a website for your business, but you may not have the technical know-how to create one on your own. For businesses who require a website that can do it all, the Magnolia CMS opens in a new tab, is built on Java. It has a central center for e-commerce, analytics, marketing automation, social media, CRM, and ERP integration. As your firm grows, you may add these features to your website. An architecture that separates your website's public and private sections to assist in combat assaults is also at the heart of the security system. Users and administrators may even be defined, so you'll know exactly who has access to a particular material and what they're allowed to do. Prices are based on the size and scope of the company. Number 4 is Squarespace. One of the most popular content management systems, CMS, platforms is Squarespace opens in a new tab, which got its start around the same time as WordPress. Because it isn't open source, you can't download and install it on your own server with this program. Instead, it's an all-in-one website builder, blog platform, and hosting provider all in one. For those who don't have any previous web building knowledge, or who need a website up and operating in a short period of time, Squarespace is a great option since it makes it simple to design a website from scratch. Installing various themes and creating a website with text, graphics, and video are all options with Drupal, too. In addition, there is a shopping cart accessible. Without having to pay a significant fee to a tech guru, you may create and run your own internet store using this tool. Again, a business-ready package is a possibility. Your own domain, unlimited bandwidth and storage, SSL security, Zapier, an automation tool, and Google AdWords credit are all included in the monthly fee of $18, about £14, 24 Australian dollars. Number 3 is Weebly. When Weebly was founded more than a decade ago, Square Incorporated bought it for little $365 million. There's a free version with limited functionality for simple websites, and the free plan also includes online shop functionality. Starting at $6 per month with annual payments, the more feature-rich e-commerce solutions may be purchased for $12 per month. Hosting, a basic website builder, and e-commerce capabilities are all included in Weebly's all-in-one offering. In addition, you'll be able to use tools like email collection forms, complex email marketing programs, and integrated site analytics. Websites, blogs, and even online businesses may be built using Weebly's platform for free. However, if you want a more complex site, you'll need to upgrade to a premium plan and hire a developer on top of that. Creating a website with Weebly is as simple as dragging and dropping elements onto a canvas. It's possible to further customize your site by using custom HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code. Number 2 is Wix. There is a cloud-based web building tool that allows you to build HTML5 and mobile-friendly websites quickly. A drag-and-drop mechanism is provided by the platform, and further functionality may be added by adding plugins. Email marketing, e-commerce, contact forms, and discussion forums are all supported by Wix. You may upgrade to a premium plan on most CMS systems to remove ads, use your own domain name, and gain more bandwidth. Wix Turbo, a new feature that significantly improves the performance and speed of websites, was announced in February. As a small business, you get the Business Basic plan for $4.50 per month, about £3, 6 Australian dollars, which claims to be the best option for small firms. An online store builder and ad coupons are included in the $17, about £13.50, 24 Australian dollars and 75 cents, pricing. Additionally, you will have limitless bandwidth and 20 gigabytes of storage. Number 1 is WordPress. In terms of popular content management systems, CMS, WordPress remains the market leader by a large margin. 35.6% of all websites on the internet are powered by WordPress, regardless of whether they are designed with or without a content management system. As open source software, WordPress is available for free download and usage by anybody. However, in order to create and upload a WordPress website, you will need to acquire a domain name and web hosting services. WordPress also has the advantage of offering hundreds of high-quality themes and plugins, allowing you to add practically any feature you want. WordPress themes typically cost between $15 and $60. While most plugins are free, there are a few expensive plugins for specific usage. The WSU Business WordPress theme, designed in-house, is a lightweight theme. Easy to use and intended to have your site up and running in a matter of minutes. WordPress has a reputation for being user-friendly. It's true, but there's a catch. Getting used to the admin backend might be a challenge for those who have never used it before. WordPress is a hacker's dream, therefore it's important to stay up with the latest version upgrades. You will have to download and install WordPress on your own hosting server because it is open source. Fortunately, most web providers offer a simple one-click installation, which saves time and effort. Manual installation is also somewhat technical. With a short Google search, you can get answers to any WordPress-related question. No matter what kind of business you run, WordPress websites are a good match. WordPress has a wide range of features and capabilities that may be utilized by a wide range of businesses, from small businesses to large corporations. WooCommerce, on the other hand, is required for e-commerce sites. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, remember to help us to like and share. If you have yet to subscribe to our channel, remember to click on the subscribe button and most importantly hit on the bell icon, so that you will be able to receive notification when we launch a new video. See you in the next video.